miles northeast of River Falls, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Clear Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Polk and St. Croix. Expected hazards include ping pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prairie Farm and Reeve. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Barron and Dunn. Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Portage County and central Wisconsin, south central Marathon County and central Wisconsin, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Mosinee, or 17 miles northwest of Stevens Point, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mosinee, Rothschild, Milton, Evergreen, Petland, Big Oak Line County Park, Moon, Rocky Corners, Halder, and Dewey Marsh Wildlife Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Marathon, Wisconsin. A strong thunderstorm will impact east central 24 hours. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Marathon County and central Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rib Mountain, or near Wausau, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Wausau, Weston, Rib Mountain, Mosinee, Rothschild, Schofield, Marathon City, Evergreen, Petland, and Camp Phillips Scout Camp. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Marathon, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hennepin County, southwestern Ramsey County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Louis Park, or near Minneapolis, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Minneapolis, St. Paul, Edina, St. Louis Park, Richfield, Golden Valley, Mendota Heights, Minneapolis, St. Paul International Airport, Falcon Heights, Mendota, Fort Snelling, and Highland Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Hennepin and Ramsey. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Dakota County, West Central Gooding County in southeastern Minnesota, East Central Rice County until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stanton, or 6 miles northeast of Northfield, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Canyon Falls around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Lake Willoughby and Mostedo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, Goodhue, and Rice.
Uh-oh.
Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Gooding County in southeastern Minnesota until 7:45 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Welch, or 9 miles southwest of Edwin, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Red Wing, Canyon Falls, Mendota, Goodhue, Welch, Frontenac, Valsa, Wakuta, Dorchester, Central Point, and Frontenac State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota.
Doubleheader.
This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect more damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be over rural areas of northwestern Wabusha County, including the following locations: South Troy, Jarrett, Rattlesnake Point, Oak Center, Zumbo Falls, West Albany, and County Roads 33 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Wabusha, Minnesota. Includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Buffalo and Trempealeau. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Weather Radio Station. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Dakota County, central Goodman County, and southeastern Minnesota until 11 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in the last hour along the Dakota-Goodman County border. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, and Goodyear.
You went off.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Evanston County in southeastern Minnesota, southwestern Wabusha County in southeastern Minnesota until 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mazeppa, or 14 miles north of Rochester, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect more damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Toyota around 7:40 p.m. Dover around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include South Troy, Jarrett, Newton, County Roads 9 and 10, County Roads 79 and 2. This includes
Awesome. Oh, there we go.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Wabusha, Minnesota. has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Volusia County in southeastern Minnesota until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mazeppa, or 17 miles north of Rochester, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect more damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Volusia County, including the following locations: Jarrett, Bremen, Hammond, Rattlesnake Point, Oak Center, Low Valley Campground, and Millville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Volusia, Minnesota. Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, central Volusia County in southeastern Minnesota, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Fairview, or 13 miles southwest of Volusia, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Hail up to golf ball size and winds of 60 miles per hour has been reported earlier with the storm, but it appears to have weakened since then. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect more damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Volusia, Plainview, Elgin, West Albany, Bremen, Millville, Hammond, Jarrett, and Rome. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Volusia, Minnesota.
Yeah.
Inches of rain have fallen.
Did I miss? Oh, there we go. And there's also an SVR for Black County. Alright, now I'm gonna put the death phone because of the SVR.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a flash flood warning for Volusia County in southeastern Minnesota until 11:30 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Plainview, Elgin, Mazeppa, West Albany, Bremen, Zumwalt Falls, Millville, Hammond, Jarrett, Low Valley Campground, Bear Valley, Zumwalt Bottoms Campground, and Gilbert Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following county: Volusia, Minnesota.
There's one.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued